Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am saving towards some holidays with $90 in prop money. And I think that's it. So let's get started. I believe today I will be able to finish if not all, but most of the saving challenges in here today, which is awesome. So we are just going to go ahead and get started. So we have this saving challenge would say $75, and this goes towards Easter. Every day, do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. Amen. So this is created by Snow Garner 307. So we have 9 and 10. Look at that. We got the big ones at the end. So that is $19. So do I have a dollar? I do. So let's put this dollar back and grab a 20. So 75, we have 50, 75. Yes. Oops, I forgot my paper clips. Let me grab a bunch of them. So $75. Gems, that is a completed challenge. Yes. So I'm just going to put that back in here because I don't want to get them mixed up. I guess I don't need a paper clip then. No, I don't. Hot mess. All right. Next we have is Mother's Day. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. You made it through the storm. Brighter days are ahead. Saves $55. Ooh, we got 3 scratches here. So let's see what we can do. Okay, we have a 4. A 5 for 9. Let's see. Okay. 9, 10, 11. Is that right? 9, 10, 11, $12. 12. Look at me, about to mess up already. Uh-oh, I gotta get that off. So $12. So let's see, 10, 11, 12. And this should be 55. If I didn't mess anything up. So 20, 40, 50, 52, 53, 54, and 55. Yes. And Gems, that's another completed challenge. So I think I'm just going to add more challenges in here and continue saving for the holidays, just to bulk up my savings for the holidays, because I kind of forgot about that. I've been focusing on debt. So I need to go ahead and bulk up for the holidays, so we'd be all set for the year almost. So this is saving for Father's Day. This is created by Budget with Carly. Save $50. And we have 2 scratches. All right. And we have a wonderful 7 and a 6. So that is $13. So 13. All right. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. Look at me. What am I doing? All right. So 50, 20, 30, 40, 45, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yes. A great start for that. And Memorial Day. How many we have for here? We got 2 more scratches. This says $70. Created by Budget with Carly. New Year, New Dreams. So we have, oh, we got 3. Oh, did I say 3? Oh, Lord. Oh, of course. A big number. So that's 8. Oh, goodness. And that is a 6. So what's that? 14. And a 7. Oh, dear. Hold on, I need a calculator. So that is 8, 6, and 7. $21. Oh. I wasn't expecting that. 10, 20, and 1. Ooh. We haven't even got to the big boy in the back. All right. I'm thinking about, I don't know. I'm thinking about adding a savings challenge box into these categories, but I don't know yet. Okay, this says 70, so this is 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 67, 68, 69, and 70. And yes, that is another completed challenge. So $70. Thanksgiving. Let's see. Ooh, just one scratch here. Yes. So this is created by Stuff and Budget. This is the beginning of anything you want. So let's see. This was a mystery save. So what is, ooh, a 4. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, hopefully we can make it through. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I should have put, you know what? Let's put this 4 back, put this dollar back, and grab this 5. So that is 20, 40, oh, $50. Perfect. So $50 going to Thanksgiving. We have this heavy hitter. This goes towards Black Friday. This is created by Jamie RN Budgets. So, whew, we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we got $21. Okay. So we might need a calculator. So, guys, see? So let's go here. All right, we got a 3. So 3. Okay, nice low numbers. 4. Okay, 7. Average, okay. Oh dear, here we go. So the highest we got was, what, 9 on here? So what is this? Look at that. That is a 4. Yes, plus 4. $18. All right, so we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 with $3 to spare. Only sad part is I can't play chip away. No. That's all right, chip away. We'll get to you next week. You will be the first thing we play. So let's see, how much did this mystery save us? 50, 60, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Wow, $75. $75. Yes, going towards Black Friday. Perfect. So, since Easter is coming up, I am going to take Easter out and replace it with Christmas. Yes, we are. So chip away, we can't play because we only have $3. So we are going to What the Duck. And we're going to put that $3. This is created by Snow Garden 307. So let's put the $3 to the cloud here. I don't know which blue I was using. I think it was this one. Perfect. And this goes towards emergency. All right, so $3 is going right on in here. Get in there. Perfect. Wow, that was so fast. So we did finish all of our holidays. So next week, new challenges will be put in here. And like I said before, what is going on here? I am going to take all this out. I used the prop money because the money is in my high yield savings account, saving or earning interest. So I just pull it and transfer into my checking when I need it. So I am going to take Easter out because I am good for Easter. And I'm going to add Christmas in here. And we will just keep on saving like that. So this is like has turned into like a whole holiday binder, which I am grateful for. All right, gems, that is all I have for you. Thanks everyone from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you haven't already and you want to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel, or you can just share with a friend. That's all I have. Just remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.